Hi, I'm Brannon John, and we're at 7th Street in Wilmington, Delaware. It's our DIY skate park. To get things rolling, we wanted to do something that was simple and couldn't cause too much trouble or fear from the city, so we just dug a couple holes and welded some flat bars and cemented them in the ground. Then we put in like a A-frame rail. We did the big banked ledge. The most recent build involved the clamshell and the hips. Wilmington has a problem with a lot of like rundown neighborhoods, a lot of areas where there's nothing for kids to do, so they really have no excuses here to shut it down. The parking lot used to be covered with just like used condoms and syringes. There's like a chemical plant across the river that does a cleanup here every year, and they've said since we've been here, the peninsula is the cleanest it's ever been. Had a skate park donation box at Kinetic Skateboarding. Nickeled and dimed it there. We've done barbecue fundraisers, little skate jams, sold t-shirts. Hoping to use the deluxe DIY bucket to do another build in 2 or 3 weeks from now. You never really know what's gonna survive, but gotta start small with a bunch of little spots, and the one that sticks, you can start building from.